Hello. In this Koieconsult video, we are going to change a column that is not vertical anymore, and it has a really bad foundation, so we will make a new and better foundation for it. Like this one, you see it's a really bad foundation, and now we're going to change this one with a new one. In order to do that, we need some temporary columns like this one with a jack, and we also need one on the other side. And now we will check, before we jack up here, we will try to find out how much we need to jack up. We don't want the terrace to be, the structure here to be too much jacked up. So the column that is bended out is down here. And when it bends out, it tends to also fall down. So we will check if this is horizontal. And we see that it's not that bad, but here we see it should have been a little higher here. So that means that we can jack up a little bit to make it horizontal again. The foundation that is not vertical anymore is a very slender and deep, and it's very subjected to frost heave. I recommended my friend to buy this one instead, which is a more bigger foundation here, so we can spread out the pressure, so the ground pressure is not getting too high. So this will be the temporary foundation, and we try to get it horizontal. If it's not horizontal, the temporary foundation can tend to slide away, which is not good. This is good. Yes, so now we have prepared the temporary column and the jack. And the jack will it is a very small area here, so we can very easily punch through the grains in the wood, but we have put on a little extra cloth in the end. It's not good to have it to the end way. Just fasten the column in the top, and then we adjust the jack so that it will be vertical. And here we have some equipment to help us. So now we jack up on the temporary columns, and then we check here that is okay. Now we can twist it. That's the indication that there's very little load on it, and we see also there is increasing gap up here. So now the load are going in those temporary beams instead of this one, and then we are ready to dig here and change the foundation. Now we need the temporary supports. So this is the old foundation that we will change. So now we have reached the necessary foundation depth, and the depth here is almost as big as the elevation here, so we don't have a slope below the foundation. Fill up with some coarse gravel under here, and we separate the coarse gravel from the finer soil with this fiberduck. Avoid that they get mixed. The depth to terrassesøyle grunn here in Hvordan is approximately 1.5 meters, and we are not that deep. We need to terrassesøyle the foundation with some isolasjonsmateriale, the insulation.
Are you done?
Ready?
There you go.
So trying to even out and compress the gravel, making it horizontal. Yes, that's quite good. Not that good. We have to adjust it a little bit. Then we have the insulation plate, which is fitting quite good. Okay, so we have to even it out so it doesn't bend like this. You see. Now we have insulated with a double from 10 centimeters, 60 by 60 centimeters. Also, that was what we could fit without digging all the way around. Verticality. The column, and it's very vertical, and we lifted down, we took off the load from the jacks, so now the load is back here on a new and very good foundation with a nice width and insulation, and then we are ready to do the backfilling. Hope you enjoyed the video and have use of it at home or at your cabin. Bye bye.